How to create a Microsoft account on Windows 10. Now the first step that you need to do is to go to this icon on your farthest left, right click on it, then go to settings. Then once settings has launched, you are going to go to accounts. Then it will land you here. Just click your info and you will be here. In order to create Microsoft account, you are going to click on this link here, sign in with a Microsoft account instead. So now here you are not going to sign in, you are going to click on create one. Then enter the email account that you want to use to create Microsoft account. So once you have entered the email, just click on next. Then you are going to set your password. Then once you have set your password, you are going to click on next. Then you are going to enter your first name and your last name. So I'm going to enter my first name here. Then click on next. So I'm going to leave this as it is. Then I'm going to click on next. Then a code will be sent to your email. So go to your email and come and paste the code here. Now once you have entered the code, you are going to uncheck this. I would like information, tips and offer about Microsoft product. If you would like to receive these messages, you can just go ahead and leave it checked. Then click on next. Then you need to solve this puzzle. So once you have completed the puzzle, you are going to sign in this computer using your Microsoft account. You can enter here your current Windows password. But for me, my Windows does not have a password, so I'm just going to click on next. So I'm going to click on next. So here, as you can see, set up a PIN. I'll create a PIN to use in place of passwords. Having PIN makes it easier to sign in into your device app and services. So I'm going to create a PIN here. Then confirm PIN. Then OK. And as you can see, guys, this side, the Microsoft account has already been created. If I push this the other side, you will see now here is your Microsoft account. So let us just wait for it to finish up. So what you'll need to do next is to just go and restart your computer, and then everything will be fine. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to create Microsoft account on Windows 10. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next.